Well, as you can see, this is how Artec industry sends you the stuff. It's like a miniature Lego. And I'll show you guys around how to get it all done the right way. So the first thing you do is obviously identify which side is which side, but first, it has this little holes right there, as you can see, and it's got those little things right there. So basically you present it and voila, it works nice. Now for the next step, I would suggest you guys weld it, but don't weld it from the inside yet. Tack weld it right here and right here, that way it stays together. There's a lot more welding involved in this thing, and I'll show you. So the reason I tell you guys to tack weld everything and not finish welding is because a lot of the things they don't tell you is these are massive heim joints. I picked them up from rough country and pretty much they did not fit, so I needed to measure everything to make them fit. So I gotta pretty much redo the holes, because as you can see, these are the bolts that are going in. Heavy duty stuff.